We're going to look at Chewy here on the weekly chart. We ended the day up a dollar and some change from Thursday's close. We have earnings coming up September 10th, pre-market in here, and it looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $4 expected move upcoming by this Friday. So we're going to see what volatility will come in or actually be taking out as we report that earnings pre-market September 10th. Where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart, though? Well, we're heading up here to right around that 43.39 area. That's going to be our first resistance. Anything above that, we're going to be looking at that 45 mark and then that 47.49. Support-wise, we're looking right at the midpoint of this Bollinger Band in here at that 40.44. Anything below there, we're looking right at that 39.40 area or this lower trend line down here, whichever one does come first. That's going to be right around that 37 mark in here. So we're going to see what happens in here. $4 expected move priced in by this Friday. Next Friday, another $4. And then the following Friday, you're going to be looking at about the same amount in here. So basically, all your volatility is stuck in this upcoming expiration cycle in there. If you are going to look at that straddle in there that is going to be sold, it's right at 401, the midpoint right now. So basically your expected move is going to be right at that $4. So everything's kind of matching up in here. And it looks like you have a lot of action on those 43 calls coming up on this Friday. That's kind of where all the volume is. So just take that for what it's worth as we're looking in here. But again, you're going to be looking at that 43.39 level for our first resistance. Anything above that 45, then that 47 support wise, you're looking at 40.44. And then you're looking down here at that 39.40. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.